Look at the chains.
There is a chain on his right leg still with a bad
Look
lock.
at the chains.
But the Lord has set him free now. This is the bad lock, my fathers.
What has happened?
Nini imetendeka?
This is the bad lock, my fathers.
Look at the chains.
Angalia minyororo.
This is the bad lock, my fathers, that they were using to lock him, to lock his legs.
Kufuli ambao alikuwa anatumia
He
kufunga
has
miguu
another
yake.
chain on his
Very
head.
serious.
Ana minyororo mwingine upande mwingine.
You examine.
Umechunguza.
For 7 years, my Lord.
How did you know amepona?
Ulijuaje amepona?
He was violent
Alikuwa na fujo.
and then it ended.
Alafu ikaisha.
Because lunatics are never come.
Kwa sababu wenda wazimu hawatulii kamwe.